The Apple Store, Apple's online store, is opening its e-doors today. Fully localized. And so you can please visit our Apple Store online, and you can buy any of the products that are currently being shipped, and of course these new ones when they ship, online. Now, I don't want to end today without one final demonstration. I'd like to give you a demonstration of Mac OS X Server. And what I want to demonstrate is the net booting and the file service and Apache and WebObjects, all off the same server. So I have a G3 here. We're going to sell Mac OS X Server two ways, as software only and as bundled with our high-end PowerMac G3. This is a PowerMac G3 server bundle. It has 256 megabytes of memory. It has a 4-port 100 megabit Ethernet card in it, single computer, and I've got a client. So let me go ahead and demonstrate this stuff. First thing is, I want to tell you about this client. This is an iMac, but it's not a normal iMac. I've done something to it. I've done a diskectomy. I have taken out the hard disk drive. Okay? This is a diskless iMac. So there's no disk inside this thing. So I'm going to turn it on, and it's going to go ahead and boot off the server. It'll take a few seconds to do a memory test, and it will start booting off the server. You get a chance to see that in just a second, if everything's working right. Okay, it's taking a few seconds to warm up here. It should be booting. Here it comes. It should be on the screen now. Do we have this on the screen? I'm seeing it on my iMac here, but I don't see it on the screen. Guys, can I get this on the screen, please? There we go. So I'm now booting over the network, off the server here. And with 100 megabit Ethernet, it actually boots very fast once it gets going. So here we are, and I'm booting a login panel for security. I have to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. My name, I don't have a password in here yet. So I've logged in, and here's my desktop. Again, my whole desktop is saved. My whole desktop information, all of my preferences, all of my files and everything are on this server. And so if I have a network of iMac clients, I could go to any one of them and type in my name and password and have my world, my whole desktop, with my files and my preferences loaded into that iMac automatically. So let me just show you, as an example, downloading an application. It's oftentimes faster than loading it off your hard disk, if you haven't. And so let me load AppleWorks. So we're downloading AppleWorks right now, just loading in. As you see, I don't have to do anything special. So I just downloaded this document here. I can just scroll down. Simple AppleWorks document. Again, I didn't have to do anything special. I just double-clicked on the file, and it was automatically downloaded. We've made it completely transparent. Okay, so let me load now an Internet Explorer. Let me launch Internet Explorer. There we go. And now we've got Internet Explorer. And what website is this? This is a website that is running on this very same server. It's running on Apache. So I've just shown you NetBoot and file service, but now I'm also showing you a web application which is running on the same server. And I built it using WebObjects very quickly. So what does this application do? It's just a very simple application that just puts something up here so I can download some video. So let me go ahead now and download a QuickTime video off the server to this client. I'll use the same video we used before. QuickTime is buffering up its data.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me. Can't get aside and I'm hungry. 5 days since you laughed at me. Saying get back together, come back and see me. 3 days in the living room. I realized some my fault, I couldn't tell you. Today, you've forgiven me. When it's 3 days till I say I'm sorry. You never want to lose.
Okay, so that's the video. Now, that's pretty cool. We've net booted the machine. We've downloaded documents and applications. We've downloaded Internet Explorer. We've looked at a website that's running here that we built with web objects. We've downloaded QuickTime. But what would happen if you put 50 iMacs on one server? Would it get clogged up? How would it perform? Well, I'd love to show you that right now. Let's take a look at our 50 iMacs. Okay. Now, I've got 49 iMacs here. 7 rows with 7 each. And here's my 50th one right here. And what I'm going to do is, using my web application, I'm going to send a signal to all those over the network to load a QuickTime movie in place. I have 3 QuickTime movies. So as each of these asks for a movie, it'll give them the next one in sequence. And they're all independent. 50 independent video streams going from this server to all 50 of these iMacs, okay? So let's see how it goes. All right, we're starting here. And let's go ahead and load this one too. So I've got 3 different movies running here. I've got 50 computers.